everyone. I hope you all are doing good. So today's class is about articles in German language. Yes, you all have been waiting for long for the same. Yeah. So basically there are three articles. The main ones are three. We are talking about articles, definite ones, definite articles in nominative case today. Okay, definite articles in nominative case. So three are the main: der, die, das. Der used with masculine gender, okay, die with feminine, and das with neutral, okay. And today we are talking about them in respect to noun basically, okay, with noun. So I would say, guys, the grammatical gender does not follow a logical set of rules in German, okay. The grammatical gender does not follow a logical set of rules in German language. So please don't compare it much to the English, and whenever you are learning any word, any noun, please do learn its article along with that. It will help you a lot to grab the language so that you won't make any grammatical errors. Okay. So first one is der. Der, the. Some of the examples are: der is masculine, der Junge. Junge means boy, the boy. Okay. Der Name, the name. Der Supermarkt, supermarket, Supermarkt. Der Tisch, the table, that is also masculine. Der Job, our job, that is masculine. Okay. So these are some of the examples of der. Now we come to die. Die is coming with the feminine, right? Feminine could be Frau, die Frau, the lady, okay? Or die Frage, question. Frage means question. Die Frage. Or another, die Schule, Schule, school. Die Antwort, the answer. So these are some of the examples of die where article die is used. Now our third one is das, that is neutral. So for das we would take das Mädchen. Mädchen, as I told you earlier also, a girl of 7 years or less, a small girl basically. But girl should be feminine, right? Yeah, but here it is neutral. I'll tell you the logic. The thing is, I will not rather tell you the logic. The thing is, in German, whenever there is chen, ken, in any word, so in that case, whenever any word is ending with chen, there you use das. It becomes neutral in German language. Okay. That's why I'm saying don't go that much for the genders. You just need to learn the articles when you're learning the nouns. Okay. Another one for das could be Wort. Das Wort. Okay. The word. Das Auto, the car. Yeah. Or the house. Das Haus. Das Haus. The house. Okay. Or your cell phones. Das Handy. That is the cell phones. That also comes in neutral. So you might be a bit confused. Yeah, genders are changing. A lot of confusion. How will we learn? So yes, I'll definitely help you with that. In the very next lecture, I'll give you some of the hints so that you will be able to learn the articles in a better way. For now, learn these. Stay tuned. Please do like, share, subscribe my channel. Bye bye.